I'm going to demonstrate this concept of syncing your chi, because I think when you see something, it makes it attainable. Sort of like the 4-minute mile. Anyhow, so this is about releasing your muscle tension and therefore syncing your chi and what effect that can have on a partner. So come on over, Cannon. And this one you're going to grab with both arms. Yeah, like that. Now, if I try to muscle Cannon down to the earth, and you can see that my shoulder's already lifting up in response. So I try to push him down, and it doesn't work. And so the first thing I need to be able to do, and this is what Tai Chi does for us, is it trains us to not respond here, but to relax our whole posture. And it's a relaxing without collapsing. If I collapse, I got nothing, right? But if my posture is open and I release, then don't know if you can see, but he's starting to kind of pop a little bit, and that's my energy flowing. Then as I open up my posture and I just really have to trust that the release is going to do something, then he starts to bobble, and I'll open my hand and just direct my energy where I want him to go, which is down. Yeah.
Man. Gets you every time.
Yeah, yeah, it is an interesting thing. So we'll try it with my muscle, trying to push him down. And even if I have good Tai Chi posture and I'm in song, part of this is you just have to wait. But what I'm doing is opening and then releasing downward to the earth, which means I have to release this shoulder. It's nice and soft and supple. And then as I open up, I just direct him where I think I want him to go through my middle finger. Yeah. And that one I did slower because I wanted you to see. So, you know, there are some people out there that don't believe this is real, and man, I get that, because when I saw videos at first, I was like, oh, that's not real.
I still see videos of it, and I'm like, man, is that even happening? But I'm like, it probably is.
Because it's
yeah,
like,
because it's happened to me.
yeah, because it's you. And that's why I try to contrast the physical force versus using the Tai Chi elements.
It really couldn't be more different.
Yeah.
At all. The physical force just gives me something to fight, and I'll win.
Right. And when I do the other,
and I can't win if there's nothing for me to fight.
Oh, that's well said. And that is part of it too for our end. I mean, that's the number one thing when you're doing Tai Chi. It's about practicing taking care of yourself, your own posture, your own state of song, your own relaxed state. And because if that's so key. So when he grabs me, like he was talking about, if I fight, he's got something to fight against. If I don't fight, if I just release,
I'm just holding your arm.
He's just holding my arm, and all of a sudden, something that he was pretty much depending on and leaning on, in a way, has disappeared. And so now I can fill that void with something. And I do that by taking care of my own posture, and then I can just direct where I want this thing to happen. My hope is that you'll see that this actually is effective, and I don't know, maybe take one of my courses and hopefully attend one of my in-person workshops. So that is syncing the chi. And so you see, this is a demonstration on how the words fall short of what's happening. So I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying to put these phenomenon into words for you and experiences. And as my master, Master William Ting, told me, start out with the ant before you try to move the giant. And so find somebody your size who's willing to work with you and not overpower you at the beginning, and just get those little small successes and then build on those. And that's exactly what I did. So I hope that you have joy in this practice and fun as I do. And thank you for joining me. And if you like my videos, please consider becoming a channel member to support me so that I can make more videos like this for you. Thank you, and see you next video.